are the cutest oversized vintage style sunglasses. I was sent these to review from Miyya. So let me give you a closer look at why they're so awesome. Comes with a branded case, cleaning cloth, and gorgeous sunglasses. How fun are these? Ah. The perfect fit, not too snug, not too loose. They're gonna stay on your face. We've got polarized lenses to reduce the glare with a scratch resistant coating and UV 400 to protect your eyes and around your eyes from the sun, because I don't know about you, but my crow's feet have crow's feet and they need to be under layers of sunscreen and protective glasses. These are amazing for that. We've got nice flexible hinges here to help prevent them from getting broken or snapped. And no annoying adjustable nose pads here, just the set bridge that's gonna be nice and super comfy. They are really lightweight. They are so cute. I love the tortoiseshell look. I love how dark they are. You can see my eyes through them, but they're really dark, but not too dark. It's easy to see with them on, no worries. I love these sunglasses and I know you will too.